Here's the CNC machine with the new X axis drives fitted. They're the ones that go left to right, those rods across there. I will show you briefly the inside of here, which has a computer to drive the motors, and then those green topped boxes, black boxes there, are the motor drives. Each one drives a separate motor. I'm going to close this up, cut down on the noise a little bit, and show you a little bit of close-up on the different drives. This one here is the Y-axis that goes across the table. It's a ball screw. This part's the ball screw driven by the motor, and so it makes it go back and forth there. And this is the Z-axis, the up and down axis, which raises and lower it, also a ball screw. And so now I have all three axes are ball screws. This is the long ball screw that goes along the X-axis, and it's driven by two motors, one on each side, which of course have to be synchronized, and that's part of what the computer program does. And this gives you a little bit of an idea of the screen on the computer. That's the program that I use to actually operate this thing. I'm going to show you a sample of how it behaves, but it's going to be noisy when I turn on the drill and all of that, so you may not be able to hear me quite so much, but you can see. I'll give you a sample of what it looks like when it's operating. Okay, so now I'm going to start up the drill, and it's going to get a little noisy, and then we'll actually show you drilling in just a piece of wood as a scrap, as an idea here. You get holes that are exactly where you want them. As you can tell, it's very precise. These are actually the holes that are for the rear panel on the phono stage that get started before I put the router bit in there. I'm going to stop this and actually put the router bit in so you get a sense of that part of it too. Now this is the router bit, and it operates at 12,000 RPM, so it's going to get much noisier. You probably won't be able to hear me speak, but I'll start it up and I'll show you routing a big hole instead of drilling a hole. I'm going to show you the drives as they go around in these circles. It's very interesting to watch the mechanism over here. Oh, this is the X and the Y. First it just goes straight down, then they're going to start to go in this circular pattern. So now you can see the beautiful round holes perfectly positioned that you get with this kind of device. You just can't do this kind of work by hand. This is just in wood. Now I do it in aluminum, but it comes out just as nicely. So that's it.